Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. We have two giant boxes. I think one has yummy goodness and one has just lots of fun. So we're going to find out which is which. But I already pointed at them, so now you know. Thought I was being tricky, but I'm not. Anyway, we're going to unbox these boxes. Everything will be available on hookedonpickin.com, so let's see what we can get. Alright, first off, let's find out all the fun in this giant box.
This is Diamond Visions, this box here. Box over there is ham and chocolate.
Okay, if you didn't get to see last unboxing, where I unboxed some of the toys from Diamond Visions, you need to go check it out, because there was a special thing on top of one of the boxes that made me have to open the box in a very crazy way.
You also saw a hidden talent of Heather.
Yes, I did display one of my hidden talents Paul never even knew about.
Never knew.
Yep.
Blowing my mind.
Yeah, here we go. Listen, the gifts, they just keep on coming, Paul.
They do. They do. It's
after almost 20 years, you're just learning something new all the time. Oh, a solar.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a hefty flashlight.
Solar flashlight.
That's cool.
You don't need batteries.
You don't need batteries. Woohoo! All right, so we got a bunch of those.
I'm fascinated with solar stuff.
You are. We really wanted to have solar landscape lights.
Yep.
Did you know it's impossible to have landscape lights when you have trees all around
This is
your
true.
house? Doesn't get enough.
They didn't. It didn't get enough sunlight.
This says solar flashlights.
Oh, good.
It's the exact
I got
same,
two.
so we got a bunch. Good. What are these? It's like a box of bombs.
I did not buy a bomb.
What are these? Oh, you know what? Okay, we have these little kaleidoscopes in the store. They're blue kaleidoscopes. And everybody thinks that they're these party poppers. Okay, there's this couple that I see on Facebook Reels and on YouTube and just random things. And they basically play pranks on each other. And then you like twist it and then that pops confetti everywhere. And they use these all the time.
So
awesome.
the question is, do we need a demonstration?
Should I
First,
demonstrate?
read the instructions.
Okay, it says this
So I don't want to
item is
explode
used-
on you.
Wait, this item is used for wedding, party, and other ceremonies. I can't use it.
Oh.
Wait, just twist it, and the colorful paper will shoot out into the air and fly down slowly, creating a magical effect. Shall we see?
Okay, hold on.
do
Let
it?
me back up and get a wide screen.
Wait, do we want to do it at the end?
Okay, let's do it at the
We're
end.
going to do it at the end. Don't let me forget. You guys start yelling at the screen when it seems like I'm about to be done. Okay?
Boom.
do it at
How
the
many of
end.
these do we have?
We have a bunch.
I bought a lot of exploding popper things.
Okay, what's in here? This looks like the bottom of the display. I'm just going to do this and then slide it out. Whatever it is. Okay. Oh,
Dog toys.
dog toys. We got hamburgers. This is when your dog likes fast food. Hot dogs. Okay, this hot dog looks really burnt. Must have been a charcoal grilled one. And then French fries.
These sold so well for us. I kept running out.
Yep.
It's going to be
They
great.
sell really good in the store too.
They do.
And every time someone walks by, they have to squeak one.
They do.
It's like the unspoken rule that you have to squeak the dog toy when you go by. All right,
do
so that's
every
all
time.
that's in this was just the poppers.
Tons of the poppers.
All right, hold on. We're going to put this on this other side so we don't forget to do that. All right, let's go ahead and open this. I'm excited. I really want to, like, explode party stuff at the end.
She wants to explode
I do.
in wild rage.
In wild rage. Okay, this is... sounds like a hard candy. It is.
Some of these candies, I think they'll still do okay.
Cinnamon
for the heat.
drops? Yes.
Yep.
So we'll be putting these on. The only thing currently right now we're not putting online is the chocolate bar.
Yeah. Chocolate's been melting way too fast.
Yeah, everything else seems to be going fine. Like, I think this right here might be one. Just
Popcorn does okay. But the chocolate candy bars
hard
have been
candies
bad.
do fine. The licorice does fine. This is just black licorice, the Australian style black licorice, and I guess that's a little bit different than regular licorice.
Mm-hmm.
And we've got the other flavors I think still available online. We have strawberry and watermelon. I think, are the other two.
I think you're correct.
All right, and then what kind is this? What is this? Okay, yeah, here is the strawberry, Australian style. That's a big bag. Is it glaring? Sorry. And then we have
Australian style strawberry liquid.
the watermelon.
Watermelon, yeah. Good. We were probably out of each one of these flavors.
Yes. Ooh, there's something else in here. What else is in here? Oh, popcorn. Yeah, we were out of this one. The honey peanut one.
Let's see if I can. There we go. Yeah.
Honey peanut. I feel like it tastes a lot like caramel.
Yep,
but
it's
not-
got peanuts in it. You can
Yeah.
even see them there.
Yeah.
This is really good popcorn.
It is.
People have raved about this popcorn.
All right.
Raved about it.
Here's the question: are we excited about all of the?
What honestly, what I'd like to do
What?
is go out there and you sneakily
Shoot it at. Lexi?
shoot it at Lexi and Faith. But the problem is we have customers in the store. I wouldn't do that with that popper there. I wanted to
yeah,
explode your nose or something. Boof. Biff you in the face.
So you don't want to do it back here? You want to do it out front?
I might have to do it back here. I gotta have a wide shot if I do it at all. What do you
Okay.
think? Should we go out there? Who's still in the store?
Shall we go peek?
Go peek, but if there's customers in the store, we shouldn't do it.
Okay, we're gonna go peek.
I don't want to freak out customers.
Yeah.
Have a freak out riot.
We're gonna just.
Hey, look at all this pile of boxes. Isn't that amazing?
Yes. Oh, we can show them our new racks we have.
Oh yeah, I can do that.
We've got quite a few in this.
Boom.
Yep.
Boom,
Yeah.
boom. Good.
All right, so we're just gonna do it back here somewhere. I could tell Faith to come here. And then,
Yep, we could have Faith set it off.
Oh, we could.
It might be fun.
All right, hold on. But you have to twist it the right way.
Or, hey, we could tell Faith, hey Faith, could you come here for a few moments?
Yes, I'm gonna do that.
And then we shoot it at her as soon as she walks in the door.
Yes.
Or here, we'll tell her to go that way.
Back door. Yes,
Yeah.
I will. Okay.
See if I can get a wide shot. Look at all of our trash. Rando boxes. Oh, these are the people that haven't paid for your fire sale. Pay for your fire sale, people. It's ridiculous. You've been scolded. Why did she run down that way?
Here, I want to show you something.
She just shot her daughter.
Where's my eardrum?
Just
Everywhere.
shot her daughter.
Mom.
Look, Dad bought these.
Was it fun for you?
Totally. You're cleaning this up.
You've got the coolest mom ever, don't you?
She's like, you're cleaning this up. It's everywhere. It shot all the way to the wall.
That's...
Yeah, see, look.
We have tons of boxes.
It's like
Tons of
glitter
boxes.
everywhere.
We'll find glitter in here for years.
Yes.
Great.
Now I'm really glad we didn't do it in the store, because that would be a nightmare
yeah.
to pack him up.
Yes, indeed.
All right, so we wanted to end the video that way. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
She's about to have a heart attack. She's gonna pass out when we're done. So we knew you could take a joke. That's why we called you. Anyway, thanks so much for joining us for this unboxing, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.